video. Today we're going to be opening and looking at all the different pieces you get in this Amazon car cleaning kit. It was purchased on Amazon for, I think it was about £15. So let's open the bag and we'll have a look what we got inside. If I can get the bag open with my gloves on, because it's another cold day today. Cold in the workshop till it warms up later on. Right, the first thing out of the box is, out the bag is a wheel cleaning brush. It's not bad, it's quite soft. Handle's not the strongest. That should be quite good for getting inside the spokes and the wheels and things. Plastic is a little bit cheap, but for £15, what do you expect? Microfiber cloth. Not brilliant quality, probably nice for, it's like a stockinette almost. Probably nice for windows and glass and things like that, but probably not nice enough or soft enough for paintwork. It probably work quite nice on glass actually. Okay, next we got nice Muppet. I think this is a wash mitt. Not too bad, nice and soft actually again. Not massive, but you'll have little detail work. I'll probably keep that for wheels as well. Keep that just for wheels. It's like an old Muppet though, isn't it? Funny old things. Couple of applicators, standard issue sort of stuff. Soft foam, quite nice. Or for applying waxes and glazes, they're quite nice. This is quite nice. Nice upholstery cleaning brush, or even a could be a tyre brush actually. It's got that curved sort of look on the edge there, nice profile. So that'd be probably quite nice for cleaning tyres. I'll probably keep that for that as well. You don't actually get any instructions in saying what each piece does or what each piece is for, so I'm just guessing on what each part is for. So I'm guessing that is for tyres with that shape like that. I don't think you can use it on upholstery. I suppose you could do. I think that'd be quite nice as a tyre cleaning brush. What else we got in here? Detail brushes. Now usually I get my detailing brushes from a standard DIY place like B&Q or something like that. I just get actual paint brushes. I prefer something with a little bit more resilience. They're not bad actually, nice and soft. They're probably quite nice with detail brushes on interior rather than exterior. Again, plastic's a little bit cheap, but not too bad. The bristles are in there. I'm really giving that a good old pull, and the bristles are actually well glued in. Sometimes you can use these and they just fall apart. Various sizes. Quite nice. What's this thing here? It looks like some sort of demister or windscreen wipe. Let's have a look. Put the bag open. Scissors. Open that. Go in the bin. Oh, okay, so you got a little stockinette thing. A little microfiber stockinette. I'm assuming that goes around there with a tight fit. Oops, throw it on the floor. Like so, then that goes in there. It's going the other way. Yeah. So then you can demist your glass inside of windscreens, etc. That's going to be quite useful in the Celica because I get a lot of mist on the back window of the Celica with it being such a large expanse of glass and it's in a funny angle. You do get a lot of moisture in there, so that's going to be quite handy for that. Again, the plastic's not fantastic, but I think it should be alright for just general use. What's this then? Scraper of some sort. Nice bit of chrome on it. Could be a nice scraper. Yeah, it's not going to be anything for cleaning. I thought it might have been like a rubber squeegee. That's a little bit too harsh for that. I think that's more like a scraper for ice and things. It seems quite nice. There's a bit of chrome on there as well, and a bit of detail. Oh, nice brushes. Nice wire brush there, and a nice nylon brush. Probably won't use that on the car at all. I think that could be very harsh for things like that. Probably very scratch a lot of aluminium and things. So that will probably just go into my general toolbox, cleaning oil off things, and when I'm cleaning, restoring old tools and things, that might be ideal for that. So that's not going to go in the car cleaning kit. But that one there, that'd be quite nice. It's getting into detail bits. It's quite soft bristles, almost like a toothbrush. I use old toothbrushes anyway to get into all the nooks and crannies, so that might be quite useful for that. And last but not least is some sort of combination brush. Nice soft bristles on one side. Oh, I get it, it's an interior brush for vents. You put that in your car vents and just give them a clean. Be careful with that, because the ones on the Nissan are really fragile, so probably not use that, I don't think. Does that come off for cleaning? Yeah, it comes off for washing, etc. That's not too bad for vents and things, cleaning in there. So, you know, a nice little soft detail brush on the outside. So all in all, not a bad little kit. So let's lay them all out. Let's see what we've got in total. Detail brushes, I think, are going to be very useful. Using those a lot, I think. We'll see what the longevity is on them. See how long they last, especially when chemicals and snow foam, etc. That was. This is going to be quite handy for the tyres. Definitely going to use that just for tyres, I think. So I have got an interior brush. But I suppose you could use it for interiors if you wanted to, if you kept it clean. Use it just for interior upholstery and carpets. But I think with that, like I said, with that curve, I think that's going to be ideal for tyres. Little de-icer or scraper. I'll probably not use that, but we'll see. It doesn't feel too strong either. It's a hard plastic, so yeah, it's probably going to be a nice scraper. Little detail thing, like we said, for vents and things. A little wire brush. Can't really see what you do use that on for cleaning your car with. Anybody got any ideas? Drop me a comment below. But that, I think, is going to go in the other toolbox. I'll keep the soft one for detail work. Little demisting pad for wiping off moisture off the windows. For applicators, wash mitt, microfiber cloth, and your wheel spoke brush. So not bad little kit really for the price. Some nice little items on there. Quite impressed with it really. So it's all going to be, proof is going to be in the using. See how long they last. See how strong the actual plastic is under wear and tear. But for 15 quid, don't matter if it lasts 6 months or so, does it? It's just, you know, you get use out of them and then buy another set if you have to. So I might do an update video at a later date on this, seeing how we get on with these when the weather improves, since it's not so cold out. I'll give this leaker a good clean and test some of these items on it. So I hope you've liked this video. So it's been a short one. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you on the next one.